How to boost a post on Facebook for beginners. If you're new to Facebook and want to reach more people, boosting a post is an easy way to start. First, open the Facebook mobile app and go to your page or profile in professional mode. Find the post you want to boost. It can be a photo, video, or even a status update, and tap the Boost Post button underneath it. From there, Facebook will guide you through a few steps to customize your ad. You will choose your goal, such as getting more likes, messages, website visits, or profile engagement. Then, select your target audience. You can let Facebook decide automatically or define your audience by age, gender, location, and interests. Set your budget and duration. Finally, choose your payment method and tap Boost Post Now to submit. Once approved, your post will start appearing in more people's feeds, even those who don't follow you. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.